Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to enable Wi-Fi calling right now. First, confirm your carrier supports it and you have a reachable Wi-Fi network. Once connected, make sure your phone is charged and you know the emergency address your carrier asks for. This helps with 911 routing. Now open Settings and search for Wi-Fi calling or calls to begin. On some Android versions, you'll find it under Network and Internet. Tap the option to start the setup process and grant any requested permissions so calling can use Wi-Fi. Once done enabling the feature, choose your preferred calling method. Select Wi-Fi preferred to use Wi-Fi first or cellular preferred to fall back automatically. Make sure your Wi-Fi network allows voice packets. Avoid public captive portals. Next, verify your emergency address and save it. Some carriers force verification steps. After saving, restart your phone to register the change with the carrier. Then place a short test call to a friend or voicemail to confirm call setup, audio clarity, and switch behavior between Wi-Fi and cellular. To finish, monitor a few calls and switch networks if you notice drops. Moving to another SSID or enabling mobile data can stabilize things. If Wi-Fi calling won't register, clear the phone app cache and data, or perform a network settings reset. This often resolves signaling issues. Make sure your handset software is up to date and that your emergency address is accurate. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the error codes and timestamps. They can check provisioning and 911 routing on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.